When it comes to choosing between ExpressVPN and IPVanish, the decision can be tough, especially if you're trying to figure out which one's the best for global location spoofers or multi-device households. You're probably wondering which one will deliver the best performance for your specific needs. Well, stick around because we're going to break down these two VPNs and help you decide which one truly stands out in each of these categories. Let's dive into it. First thing, if you're a global location spoofer, you're likely going to want to look at the server network. ExpressVPN has one of the most impressive networks in the industry, offering servers in over 90 countries, which makes it an excellent choice for spoofing your location anywhere across the globe. Whether you're trying to access content from a specific country or securely browsing from an international location, ExpressVPN has you covered with speed and security. However, it comes with a price tag, which can be a downside for some. Next thing, let's talk about IPVanish. While it doesn't have as extensive a network as ExpressVPN, it still offers more than 2,000 servers in around 50 locations, which isn't too shabby if your spoofing needs are not as global. IPVanish does have a slight advantage in terms of price, being more affordable than ExpressVPN, which could appeal to users looking for a budget-friendly option. Now, let's switch gears and talk about multi-device households. If you've got several people in your home who need VPN access, this is where things get interesting. ExpressVPN allows you to connect up to 5 devices simultaneously on a single subscription, which works well for a lot of people, but it's not the most generous. The fourth thing to mention is IPVanish, which allows you to connect an unlimited number of devices to one account. This is huge if you're living in a household with multiple devices, like smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, and more. For families or shared homes, IPVanish can definitely be a better choice here. But keep in mind, its overall user interface isn't as polished as ExpressVPN's, and the experience might not be as seamless for tech novices. Another thing to consider is streaming performance. ExpressVPN excels in this area if you're looking to access streaming services from around the world. ExpressVPN's ability to unblock platforms like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and Hulu is top-notch. If you're someone who wants to watch content from different regions, ExpressVPN is the clear winner here. IPVanish, while good for streaming, doesn't have the same consistency, especially when accessing content from specific countries. Let's also take a quick look at privacy and security features. Both VPNs offer strong encryption and a no-logs policy. However, ExpressVPN has undergone independent audits to verify its claims, which is a level of transparency that's tough to beat. IPVanish, on the other hand, has a bit of a murky past with privacy, having been previously involved in a situation where it handed over data to authorities, but they've since made improvements. In conclusion, while both ExpressVPN and IPVanish have their strengths, if you're serious about spoofing your location globally, ExpressVPN's extensive server network and premium features make it the better option. However, if you're looking to cover an entire household with multiple devices at a more affordable rate, IPVanish is a solid choice. The software mentioned in this video are great, but after trying them all myself, if you want a better alternative for your global location spoofing needs or for multi-device households, you should take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only for our viewers.